Changes have been made to certain file types and folder locations for Mastercam 2020. In previous versions, Mastercam used the following default names and locations for installed folders. For Mastercam 2020, the file structures have changed. If you have Mastercam and Mastercam for SolidWorks installed, both products now use the same root folder. If you only have one product installed, only that product folder will be in the root folder. The machine definition and component files now open directly into the Machine Definition Manager or the Control Definition Manager when using Windows Explorer or a command line. Previously, the files opened as a Mastercam part file that required you to open the Machine Definition Manager or Control Definition Manager as an additional step. For more information on changes to files and folders for Mastercam 2020, be sure to visit what'snew.mastercam.com.